Manufacturers, engineers, production managers. The world is changing at an unprecedented scale and pace, presenting us with challenges that are bigger and more urgent than ever before. We need to harness the possibilities of today if we are to shape the world of tomorrow. It's time for production to be better, faster, and smarter. Welcome to the next era of manufacturing-ready 3D printing. Meet the enhanced HP Jet Fusion 5200 Series 3D printing solution. It's time to achieve enhanced manufacturing predictability at industrial level OEE, to produce functional parts with best-in-class isotropy and fine detail. It's time to reach breakthrough productivity, streamlined workflows, and best-in-class economics with automated materials mixing, consistent unpacking, and integrated software solutions. Centralize and automate build preparation across your entire 3D printing fleet. Streamline data access and automation across industrial management systems. Achieve dimensional accuracy and repeatability faster. And bring visibility and control into your manufacturing processes with the HP 3D Center Dashboard. It's time to deliver more applications with high reusability materials while addressing sustainability. It's time to expand with efficient manufacturing processes, leveraging HP's expert know-how. Transform possibilities into realities now with the enhanced HP Jet Fusion 5200 Series 3D printing solution. Let's manufacture possibilities.